The next gas law to talk about is Avogadro's law. Avogadro is the same Avogadro that we talked about last semester that developed the idea of the mole. Now, how he got to the idea of the mole was dealing with gases. And so in the 1800s, he did experiments dealing with the volume of a gas and the number of moles of a gas, that one variable that we haven't touched yet. And he kept the temperature and the pressure constant. How do you keep the pressure constant? Have the container expand and contract. How do you keep the temperature constant? You have to have a container that allows for energy to be released or absorbed if needed. So as was done before, similar to Charles' law, if you have condition 1 and condition 2, this is a direct relationship where the volume over the moles is equal to a constant. And so as before, think about this. If you have a container with like a balloon and you put more gas into a balloon, I happen to have one here. If you put more moles of gas in the balloon, watch what happens to the volume. It gets bigger. And if you let moles out, it gets smaller. So that means that it's a direct relationship. So if it's a direct relationship, just like before, situation 1, V1 over N1 is equal to a constant, and V2 over N2 is equal to a constant. If they're equal to the same constant, then they're equal to each other. And that is Avogadro's law. So the ratio of the volume in the mole is equal to the new condition of the. And so here's a video to reinforce the idea.